Assalamualaikum girls, welcome to my channel. One of the best message, as soon as you die, your identity becomes a body. People use phrases like bring the body, lower the body in the grave, take the body to the graveyard, etc. People don't even call you by your name, whom you try to impress whole life. Live a life to impress the creator, not the creation. Take chances. Spend money on the things you love. Laugh till your stomach hurts. Pose stupidly for photos. Be childlike. Moral: death is not the greatest loss in life. Loss is when life dies inside you when you are alive. Celebrate this event called life. Please do support. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel with your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.